Today, let's focus on the word arm. It's everywhere in life and important to know. An arm is the part of your body between the shoulder and the hand. You use it to lift and hold things. Some learners confuse arm with just the hand or the whole leg. Remember, an arm includes the upper and lower parts, not just the hand. Common phrases: raise your arm, break your arm with something, and put your arm around someone. She raised her arm to ask a question. He broke his arm while playing football. I put my arm around my friend for comfort. The robot's arm can lift heavy objects. A boy hurt his arm but still played with friends. He learned how important an arm is for many daily things like writing and hugging. Think of an arm as your lifting machine on your body. It helps you reach and hold things easily. Now you know arm well. Try to use it in sentences today and comment below with your own examples.